Hey guys, I know it's been a long time. It's been a really long time. But yeah, I am back. Welcome to the vlog. I know it's been a long time since my last vlog. I just uploaded one vlog in 2020 and right now it's just 4 minutes for 2021 to start. I know 2020 was a hard year for a lot of people, but let's hope the best for 2021. And yeah, I will be uploading very often in 2021, so stay tuned. Just 2 minutes for the new year to start. Happy New Year guys! 2021 has officially started. So I am hearing a lot of firecrackers outside. I'm not sure whether you guys are able to listen to them or not, but yeah, people are celebrating. So I didn't had much plan of New Year celebration. So I just stayed up till 12 am, got the vibe and feel of it, and I will sleep in some time. So indirectly I just celebrated New Year by watching other people celebrate it. But कोई नहीं, अगले साल कर लेंगे धूमधाम से celebrate. Okay, so it's the next day, that is the morning of 1st Jan 2021, and I really want to start this year right. So I'm gonna do that by doing the most basic thing, that is making my bed. So it's done now, pretty neat and clean. So a few days ago I was cleaning my shelf and I found out a Samsung tablet which I used to have around 5 to 6 years ago. मतलब तभी मैं यूज़ करता रहा बहुत, उसके बाद अंदर रख दिया था मैंने और मैं भूल गया था इसके बारे में. एंड luckily it's working. So yeah, it would be pretty useful right now. I seriously thought that this wouldn't work because ये almost 1 साल या उससे ज़्यादा अंदर था और उसके बाद मैंने ओपन किया है. But luckily it's working perfectly, and just that the battery was dead, so I had to charge it. Otherwise it's working totally fine. So yeah, that's a great thing. Also I found out this thing which you guys would know. It was a trend a few years ago, the fidget spinner. So तभी मुझे मिला था एक और मैंने अंदर रख दिया था और अभी जाके मुझे मिला. So it's pretty fun, but अभी उतना मज़ा नहीं आता जितना ट्रेंड के टाइम पे था. By the way, New Year से याद आया, everyone would have taken New Year resolutions. Please don't take them because you also know they are gonna fade out in a couple of weeks. Instead, try building new habits and do things consistently so that building good habits will automatically rebuild your life. So working out and getting fit is the most popular resolution of every year. So it was not my resolution क्योंकि मैं पहले से ही कर रहा हूँ. I keep working out here and there. So but I'm thinking to document my workouts in my videos. So from now on you will see my workouts in my every video. My goal of workout is to just have a good lean body, not to have six-pack abs, not that much extreme, to have a lean body in shape so that you can be super productive and yeah, you can use your body in the most efficient way. Not even just the body, but even the mind gets better by working out, because we know that working out releases dopamine, which is an achievement hormone, and yeah, it always increases productivity. So yeah, saying that, let's head on to the workout. And I know some of you might say कि gym के अपने फायदे हैं, you get a variety of ranges of weights and obviously the machines you can use to exercise, but there are a lot of good workouts for home. You can find it in a lot of apps in the Play Store. There are a lot of videos on YouTube about the best home workouts you can do, and yeah, you even save the gym membership fees on the if you work out at home. So I think it's a pretty good idea. I will hopefully join a gym in the future, but there are no plans of joining a gym right now. So home workout is everything about the body weight exercises. If you can do them right, you can easily have a killer workout. So I usually prefer doing full body workouts because by that you can hit every muscle more frequently. And yeah, even if you skip a day or two, it doesn't matter, because if you do chest and legs different day, then if you miss a day, then the next schedule gets affected. So full body workout at home means a lot of push-ups and a lot of squats. So let's get started. So starting with the warm-up with jumping jacks and a bit of arm stretches, then we'll move on to push-ups. So the workout is complete and मजा आ गया भाई. There's a totally different vibe in working out on the first day of the year. I hope many of you can relate to that. You just feel it to a different level totally. So now after workout, it's time for a protein shake. So I use Protein X, which is pretty popular and it's not expensive as well. Previously there was a complaint that it has so much sugar in it, but right now they started zero sugar Protein X and it shows that it has zero sugar. So yeah, it's also tasty, and yeah, I only like the chocolate flavor. The regular flavor I mean, tastes awful. So let's make the protein milkshake. So apparently there is no milk in my house to make the protein milkshake. So I am heading out to the shop in the market to buy milk. मुझे वो पानी का प्रोटीन शेक पसंद है. I like it with milk. That's why. फटाफट दूध लेके आते, उसके बाद प्रोटीन शेक पिएंगे. So milk has been taken. And it's time to go home. So my protein shake is ready. Let's drink it. Alright, yes, so it's evening right now and I also have to edit and upload this vlog today itself. So I will end the vlog over here and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.